Hey guys, I'm here with another hair video, because I really like making hair videos. Yes, Mom? Yes, I did put them in the dryer. I'm making a video. I'm making a video. Sorry, had to do that. And by the way, that sound in the background. Hi, Ethan. That sound in the background is the dryer. This is how you get views, right? Or do some like old-fashioned Molly thing where I did the half-colored hair. So I'm just doing pink because that washes out real fast. And I mean, I still have some pink from last time I dyed like all of my head. I mean, I kind of like that it's just like some random faded pieces, but I just want to. I need to change a little. But yeah, I haven't brushed my hair out, so don't judge me. During Christmas break, I think I might vlog. Don't know what I'm gonna vlog, but if I do anything, I'll vlog it. Hello?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Or Ethan? Ethan? No one ever eats leftovers.
I do.
I didn't know. Sorry. I mean, once you got it close enough, that's fine. That's really just all you need. Once you look like Sabrina Carpenter from Disney Channel, that's how you know you're doing it right. Then I'm just gonna like take all of this and put it up in a thing bing. Once this pink washes out, I want to go to school one day looking completely normal. I want to see how that goes down. I may add conditioner. So, once you get that all down, diddly down, hop on this. So there's not much of this left, but I'm gonna use the rest of it because I don't wanna not use the rest of it. That should be good. And if I need more, I'll just make more. By the way, guys, I'm honestly thinking about dyeing my eyebrows. And then I can like film it whatever color, you know? So I just gotta bleach them. This is my setup. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash out my hair in the cold, which I am not ready for. Oh god, I got pink right here. I don't know. I'm pink already. Oh no. I feel like it's gonna touch this side of my hair, which we don't want that. Go on your back! Oh, that's so cold on my eyes. Okay, just need to get the back booty part. The pants are falling down. Ooh, look at that pink water. Beautiful. Oh, I forgot something to dry my hair with. So, as you can see, I have a shirt on the one side of my head. I'm trying to dry it. Then once it's dry, then I'll show you guys, or like style it in the morning or something like that. But yeah, okay, goodbye. Okay, so it's the morning and this is how it turned out. Pretty spicy. Pink and green next. So I gotta go because my mom's yelling at me because she wants me to eat my goddamn eggs. So, see you guys.